Hey guys, so if you watched my previous videos, you'll know I got some new toys lately and some new things to try out. So I have reorganized my coffee zone in the kitchen. So I'm just going to do a very brief updated tour. Again, I want to say this is not the finished product. This is a work in progress as I learn about coffee and I learn about coffee gadgets and I figure out what's going to be the most efficient use of space. So again, don't see this as me showing off a finished product, but rather, me learning along the way, just like all the other coffee videos. So let's go in the kitchen. Hey guys, so here's my work in progress kitchen setup. Again, I'm still learning what I like and what I need, and I'm trying to take up as little space in the kitchen as possible because my wife uses the kitchen much more than I do. And so this is very much a work in progress. This is not a finished result, but I can show you along the way. So we got the new espresso machine here, and I'll just sort of keep that cup there for the time being. Obviously the milk's not going to stay there, it'll go in the refrigerator. I moved a little bowl of random pods up here. What else? Anything else change over here? I stuck the coffee bags back there again. I'm just trying not to take up space that she might otherwise want. Trying to stay out of the way. That's why we're limiting it to like here where it was mostly my stuff in the first place. Yeah, other than making room for this, and that's really the only change over here. So she gave me another shelf in the cabinet. I can't remember if I showed this in the last video. So this is all my stuff now. This is kind of my stuff. Cups that we both use, but that I use more than she does. And then the bottom shelf is hers. Over here is where I decided to put stuff that is not clean enough to go in the cabinet, but not dirty enough to go in the dishwasher. Obviously you don't dishwash these, you just rinse them. And I needed a place just to get them out of the way. I don't want to just leave them in the sink after they've been rinsed, and I don't want to put them in the cabinet if they still might have some residual water. So up here, same with these. I just rinsed these out after the last espresso video. Next time we run the dishwasher, I'll wash them, and then they fit right here. But in the meantime, that's just a way to get them out of the way. Still have the K-cup. These are all the dishes I used in the last video that are just here, rinsed, in case I want to use them again before they go in the dishwasher. This is where I'm storing the ground coffee that's open. Is in this resealable jar. There's very little in there. Then this is how I'm storing the syrups for now. I'm going to pare this way down once I figure out what syrups I like. But while I have this many, I got this nice rack, and then they go on top, and then the small ones are here on the stand that we've had for a long time, where I think in the last video there was maybe a Christmas tree there. This is the bag of stuff that I'm either selling or getting rid of. Again, so my goal is that to pare this down to enough syrups that they'll just fit in the rack and the small ones will fit on top, and that'll be all the space I'll need for syrups. And this is the pods / snacks section. Again, this is not organized yet because I don't know what I'm going to keep. You can see I just bought a new package of Ethiopia because those are my new favorite. These other ones, again, I'm not going to keep all these. I got to decide what I'm going to keep. I had them all neatly sorted back there, and then I bought some more, and so just trying to figure it out. You see all the same snacks are here from last time. We have not been eating them, except I think we've been eating the alleged healthy candy. But yeah, I did use one of the K-cups recently, so I haven't completely ruled those out. What's this? What did I put over there? Oh, okay. I was like, there's some, yep. Okay, well, again, this is a work in progress, and once I figure out exactly how we're going to set this up, it'll be much neater and much more organized. But in the meantime, this allows me to figure it out without getting on my wife's nerves too much. So I hope this was helpful.